Morning, Friday, February 9th, 2024. Walking in downtown Kingsport today. It's a rainy day. Shooters, billiards. I think I'm gonna get a cup of coffee here. Urban Brews. Holston Valley Broadcasting. They got a big old mural up here. Pretty cool. Spooky. Some spooky characters in there. Got my coffee. There's the CATS Kingsport Area Transportation Service. I believe it's what that stands for. There's the routes and all that good info right there. Up here, Church Circle. You can see the steeples from here. First Baptist Church. This is Church Circle. Got all kinds of churches up in here. There's First Presbyterian. Some church bells. First Broad Street. There's a sign for Church Circle, Kingsport Landmark. What's this sign here say? This is the Boone Trail Highway. There's a map of Boone Trail Highway right there. Another sign says Daniel Boone's Trail from North Carolina to Kentucky, 1769. I guess I'm on the Heritage Trail walking path. I don't know. If anybody knows of a map for this Heritage Trail, if it runs along any certain route, let me know. I have no idea where the Heritage Trail officially is. There's the library over there. Here's the Great Monarch Migration sculpture, butterflies. Looks like they're on springs. They're still working on this East Main Street. Got this section of it closed off here. Still on this Heritage Trail, walking path 5, and here's the train depot right here. Citizens Bank. There goes a CSX train right there. There's the time, 12:38, 48 degrees. Domtar packaging plant there. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day. Roger out. It is all important that we be real, that we harbor no wish to appear other than what we are, that we simulate no virtue, assume no excellency, adopt no disguise. The hypocrite thinks he can hoodwink the world and the eternal law of the world. There is but one person that he hoodwinks, and that is himself. And for that the law of the world inflicts its righteous penalty. There is an old theory that the excessively wicked are annihilated. I think to be a pretender is to come as near to annihilation as a man can get, for there is a sense in which the man is gone, and in his place there is but a mirage of shams. The hell of annihilation which so many dread, he has descended into. And to think that such a man can prosper is to think that shadows can do the work of entities and displace real men. If any man thinks he can build up a successful career on pretenses and appearances, let him pause before sinking into the abyss of shadows. For in insincerity there is no solid ground, no substance, no reality. There is nothing on which anything can stand, and no material with which to build. But there are loneliness, poverty, shame, confusion, fears, suspicions, weeping, groaning, and lamentations. For if there is one hell lower, darker, fouler than all the others, it is the hell of insincerity. 4 beautiful traits adorn the mind of the sincere man. They are simplicity, attractiveness, penetration, power. Simplicity is naturalness. It is simple being without fake or foreign adornment. Why are all things in nature so beautiful? Because they are natural. We see them as they are. No task they might wish to appear, for in sooth they have no wish to appear, otherwise. There is no hypocrisy in the world of nature outside of human nature. The flower which is so beautiful in all eyes would lose its beautify in all eyes would nature we look upon reality, and its beauty and perfection gladden and amaze us. We cannot find anywhere a flaw, and are conscious of our incapacity to improve upon anything, even to the most insignificant. Everything has its own peculiar imperfection, and shines in the beauty of unconscious simplicity. One of the modern social cries is back to nature. It is generally understood to mean a cottage in the country and a piece of land to cultivate. It will be of little use to go into the country if we take our shams with us, and any veneer which may cling to us can as well be washed off just where we are. It is good that they who feel burdened with the conventions of society should fly to the country and court the quiet of nature, but it will fail if it by anything but a means to that inward redemption which will restore us to the simple and the true.